In today's world, technology is everywhere. Everything has a remote control these days. Even your fireplace has a remote control. Even your toilet has a remote control. Of course, the problem is now we have 50 devices to control, all with more buttons than we ever need to use on a daily basis. Not only do you have to hunt for the right remote for the right device, we then have to decipher the maze of buttons just to turn the thing on. Isn't there a way to make things simple? Enter the control system. With a control system, you can take all those devices and put them together into a single interface that only lists the options you need. That's great, but it doesn't really simplify your life all that much. Truth be told, all you've done is paid for a really fancy universal remote. But what if instead of just control, you added automation? Now, instead of a dumb device, you have an intelligent system. This lets you combine multiple tasks into a single automated action. Let's say you come home from work and want to watch a movie. You walk in the door and press the Watch Movie button. While you're kicking off your shoes, the system turns on the projector, turns on the Blu-ray player, turns on the audio receiver, sets the projector to the right input, plays the movie, sets the audio settings on the receiver to the movie preset, and adjusts the volume to the perfect level for watching movies. It also turns the lights down, drops the screen, turns on your fireplace, and sets the AC to the right settings. It could even flush the toilet for you if you wanted. Now that is the benefit of automation. Everything works together at a single press of a button. Or not. What if you didn't have to press the button at all? Maybe the system knows you always watch the news when you get home from work. And by the time you get home, the news is on, the fire's going, and the lights are perfect. Now that's simplicity. But what about when you're done watching TV? When you leave the room, you forget about the technology that's in there, but your automated system doesn't. Maybe you left the Blu-ray player on, or the lights or the projector. An automated system can monitor room usage, determine that you're gone and won't be back for a while, and turns everything off until you're ready to use it again. Now technology is actually saving you money and making the world a better place at the same time. The automated system can monitor your devices, identify problems, and help to proactively solve them before that bulb burns out 10 minutes into your movie marathon. That is automation. So now a complex situation can become simple and intuitive.